What is going on YouTube? Thrift School over here. I have a few eBay orders to pack and pull. I've been working on FBA shipments. I want to show you guys some of the stuff. First, I want to show you guys everything that's sold. It's only a few items over on eBay, but we're going to pull them. You guys will see that right now. So we are downstairs right here, and I bundle up these lots of DVDs and CDs into lots of 100, and these are ones that aren't worth it for me to sell individually, whether they be on Amazon or eBay. And I sold all of my CD ones locally for the same price that I was getting over on eBay. Actually, I was making an extra $1 selling them locally. Because after fees, I make about $9.20 for every 100 CDs. Well, I was selling them for 10 bucks for 100 disc only locally just to move them, and some guy came and bought them all. Well, somebody right here bought one, and I'm gonna have to make a lot of 100, which is fine. I have a lot of CDs, I'll show you guys. Alright, so here's my sorting station. It is a complete mess, but it's the only way I can go through all of these. I have all CDs that I'm sending into Amazon right here in this bin. Now this was a much higher stack, but I've already sent a little over 200 into Amazon. These ones still need to get sent in, and I have a few for eBay right here. Take a look at this. It's the band 311. This is signed by all the band members. We have Breaking Benjamin, signed by all the band members. So I have to figure out what I'm going to price these at. There's a couple more autographed CDs in here that I have to find. I forgot which bin I put them in, but these two specifically I kept on top. The rest of them are all going into Amazon. Now, the ones I need to make lots for over on eBay are all over here. Now, these are not worth it. We have a bunch of bins right here, but these are all compilations. So every single one of these are disc only, which is fine because that's how I'm selling them, but it's not like an actual CD. It's not like an actual album. It's just a compilation of a whole bunch of different songs from the year. So I'm gonna have to find 100 just regular good old CDs, which I know I'll find. We have a stack over here. We have a bunch of stacks right here that aren't worth it. And I try not to do duplicates. Actually, we have some right here. Are these CDs? Oh, these are CDs. Oh, nice. Okay, I probably have 100 just right here. Okay, cool. So, not too worried then. I try to make sure they're all decent, you know, just regular CDs and not just compilations. I don't know who that is. I don't know who that is. There's Michael Bolton. So, yeah, that's what we're going to do. I got to make sure I get 100 of them and bundle them up. Now, I sold a TV remote in here. It is a Sony. It's this one right here. This Sony remote I sold for $8.95. Now I got a whole box of remotes for really cheap. I think I paid 20 bucks for the whole box. There was close to 100 remotes, maybe like 80 remotes, and I've just been selling off all the good ones. I have the others in lots on eBay, but those aren't moving, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to move those. We have a Pioneer left and two others down in there, but this one sold for $8.95. It's super lightweight. It's only gonna cost me about $2.66, $2.65 to ship, so a little bit of money, I'll take it. All right, right down here, I've been holding on to this puzzle for a while. I finally got a best offer on it. I've probably had this listed for almost a year, this visual echo puzzle. There was no